Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 8th class mathematics assignment number 28 related to the topic quadratic equation. Here is the first question: if a not equal to b, then the roots of the equation x minus a into x minus b is equal to b square. So x minus a into x minus b is nothing but x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab minus b square is equal to 0, right. So this a into x square minus minus x into b minus xb minus a into x minus ax minus into minus plus ab, this b square transposed to this side minus b square is equal to 0. So the nature of the roots, he is asking nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means we have to find discriminant. Discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to b is nothing but coefficient of x, that is minus of a plus b whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is ab minus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4 into ab minus 4ab minus into minus plus 4b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab, that is a minus b whole square plus 4b square, given a not equal to b means this is always, this is a square, right, this is a square number. Square number is always positive, plus 4 into this b square is also square number. So this is also positive, positive plus positive, that is positive, this is always greater than 0. So delta is greater than means roots are real and distant, option 1 is the correct answer, real and distant. Now coming to the next one, the value of k such that x square plus 7 into 3 plus 2k minus 2x into 1 plus 3k is equal to 0 has equal roots is. So given quadratic equation is this one and the roots of this quadratic equation has equal roots, then find the value of k. Equal roots means delta is equal to 0, that implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here b means coefficient of x, that is minus 2 into 1 plus 3k whole square minus 4 into a is coefficient of x square is 1 into c is 7 into 3 plus 2k is equal to 0, that implies minus 2 whole square is 4 into 1 plus 3k whole square, that is 1 plus 9k square plus 6k minus 4 7s are 28, 28 into 3 84 minus 28, 28 into 2, that is 56k is equal to 0, that implies 4 into 1 4 plus 9 into 4 36k square plus 24k minus 84 minus 56k is equal to 0, that implies 36k square. See, this is plus 24k and this is 56k. So that is minus 32k, Next here 4 plus 4 minus 84, that is minus 80 is equal to 0. Take 4 common, that is 9k square minus 8k minus 20 is equal to 0, So this is minus 180, 180 factors 10 into 18, right, 10 18. So this factors is 9k square minus 18k plus 10k minus 20 is equal to 0, implies here and here 9k take common, k minus 2 plus 10 take common, k minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies k is equal to 2, that is k is equal to, that implies k minus 2 into 9k plus 10 is equal to 0, implies k is equal to 2 or k is equal to minus 10 by 9, k is equal to 2 or minus 10 by 9. Option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the third one, if 1 root of x square plus px plus 12 equal to 0 is 4, while the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 has equal roots, then q is equal to. So first of all, one root is given. If alpha is root of, alpha is a root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then a into alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. We know that if alpha is a root of this quadratic equation, means that quadratic equation becomes a into alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Here one root is given 4. So that is 4 square plus 4 into p plus 12 is equal to 0, implies 4p is equal to minus 16 plus 12, 16 plus 12 28, that is minus 28, implies p is equal to minus 7, p is equal to minus 7, and given this equation has equal roots. This equation has equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. So second equation has equal roots means discriminant equal to 0, that implies b square is nothing but p square minus 4q is equal to 0, that implies p is nothing but minus 7, that is minus 7 whole square is equal to 4q, implies minus 7 whole square is 49 is equal to 4q, implies q is equal to 49 by 4, q is equal to 49 by 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, the equation x square minus px plus q equal to 0 and p comma q belongs to R has no real roots. No real roots means discriminant is less than 0. So no real roots means delta less than 0. If delta greater than 0 means roots are real and distant, delta is equal to 0 means roots are equal, right, real and equal, but no real roots means discriminant less than 0, that implies b square is nothing but minus p whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is q is less than 0, that implies p square minus 4q less than 0 implies p square is less than 4q, p square is less than 4q, that is this is nothing but 4q is greater than p square, right. Again if you consider this one, this can be written as p square minus 2 root into q whole square, right, is less than 0. 2 square is 4, root q whole square is q. So again this is a square minus b square, that is p minus 2 root q into p plus 2 root q is less than 0, is less than 0. So option 2 is also correct answer. So correct answers are option 2 and option 4. Thank you students, stay home, stay safe.